Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Katie Suniga.
Good afternoon, Central Oregon. We have another day full of color here on our watches and warnings map. We have 4 different warnings going on right now. The current one that expires the soonest is the dark pink area that you see that runs through Bend and then off to our east. This goes until tonight at 10 p.m. This is a fire weather warning. Then we have the lighter pink area to our south and continuing off to our east. This is another fire weather warning. This is until tomorrow at 8 p.m. Then we have the beginning of the heat advisories starting. This one expires on Thursday at 8 p.m., which we should be joining the rest of the region on that tomorrow morning instead of tomorrow evening. That has been updated to happen sooner. And we do currently have an excessive heat warning from the tip of Madras up into parts of Oregon in the north and into Washington. This is until Thursday at 8 p.m. We are looking to set some records this week if we get as warm as it looks like we will. Here's a look at the satellite and radar image, a continuation today of those thunderstorms, just like we thought. Definitely saw some rain here this afternoon, and it could continue for us into the earlier parts of this evening before these chances for thunderstorms go away. And then we should be clear for a majority of the rest of our extended forecast. With the winds, again tonight on the lighter side, which is a good thing, we're looking at 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 20. Same thing today as well as tomorrow. Right now, the Dalles is the strongest to our north at 18, and then Coos Bay on the coast at 19 miles per hour. Excuse me. Here's where we landed with our high temperatures today. So far, still not too warm for a lot of us. We are definitely cooler than we were yesterday, but that changes for us tomorrow. We're looking at making it to the triple digits a couple places here in Central Oregon, down into the 106 in Medford and the hundreds through the gorge. Right now in Central Oregon, we are just slightly cooler than we were yesterday, but we did make it into the hundreds in Warm Springs. For tonight, we're still warm, just not quite as warm as we were last night. Only Bend and Warm Springs look like they'll be in those low 50s, and we should be in the mid 40s in La Pine. Here's where we have another chance for some more triple-digit heat. Redmond, even Madras and Warm Springs all have that possibility. Prineville getting pretty close there, but really Thursday is the day we're looking at the most amount of heat. Here's how the airflow is happening. You can see that we have this nice warm flow, and as we get into Thursday, that actually shifts the low pressure to our northwest and the high pressure to our southeast, and now you see this nice warm airflow moving up into the region. The rest of those scattered showers really should be done just within the next few hours, and then we're off to those mostly clear skies. Not much of a change yet with our allergies. We're still at high today, still have that possibility to get down to moderate in the next couple of days. Okay, here's where things get interesting. That heat advisory is with us until Thursday. The record for tomorrow was set in 1999 at 101, and the record on Thursday was set in 2015 at 101. So we have a chance to break that record, and then we begin to cool off as we head into the weekend.